we discussed the random variable x, which is from omega to another set phi. A measurable function which maps the elements of a sample space to another sample space. So that's a measurable function. Okay? If this one, if phi is just R, and the sigma algebra for R is the Borel sigma algebra, then we have what we call a random variable. So this is now a random variable. And from this random variable, we studied the distribution, which is a measure, a probability measure. So the distribution is from sigma f and a measure, probability measure P. So we have a probability space to a measurable space, which is R, and the Borel sigma algebra, the Borel sigma algebra for R. Okay? So this P, we define the distribution. We have a function here which is a random variable x, no, that moves from this measure space or probability space, because this is a probability to here. So we induced a measure in this one through x. This now becomes what? This now becomes a measure space, and the measure here is the px, p sub x. Okay? Ano, diba? So, which is the px is defined, which is now the law of x, the distribution, which takes sets from B. B is, which is a subset or an element of the Borel sigma algebra. And this is defined as P of X inverse of B, which is, asa ganito siya, this is an element of what? F. Okay, medyo nalahi sa notation, no? So what is originally defined is this P. Okay? This P, and then we move P to this measurable space, and we now have a measure space. Okay, murag kumbaga pa, we are carry whatever partition that we have done here, we will be doing it there. Okay? And also we derive we know the PMF, the probability mass function, which is defined as a function P from R to 0, 1. Okay? From R to 0, 1. And this P, Px of, it takes Pf of x. Okay? X sub I is equal to, unsa ganin eh? This was defined as Px of sum xi. Here, meaning that this is actually a discrete case. No? Diba? Remember that P is a measure. What do we, unsa isulod nato sa P? Whenever it's a measure, a measure is a function that acts on sets. Okay? It acts on sets. Ang random variable, ang function ni x, acts on the elements of the set. Okay? Of the sample space. So, muna kalahian, no? So, this is this, okay, anyway. And we have this property, P of some set B, Px of some set B, like this, is just the sum of, take note the P here and the P and these characters, nanay kalahian, okay? Px of xi, ki equals, we are in the space B. The sum is in all of B. We are summing up all these elements. And we have the density function, PDF. We have the density function fx, right? which acts, okay, kasi kalahian ani, this PMF, probability mass function, is for discrete. Actually, ang anoan is that whenever that this P, this is a measure. And in fact, this is what we call, this is actually a Lebesgue measure. Okay? So, meaning that here, this measure is, kumbaga not requiring it, but whenever that this measure P is not continuous with respect to a Lebesgue measure, meaning when you say continuous to a Lebesgue measure, wala magutan na, yeah, as I said, we did not discuss the details of deriving the Lebesgue measure for this statistical mechanics one. Pero sa two manggod, when we do stochastic calculus there, mubalik ka sa Lebesgue measure yun. We will be heavy on the theory there because it's much more on focus on pure mathematics, on analysis of stochastic processes. So, mubalik na taan na dito. As of now, we will not be so much particular. As at least the definition that I gave you with the Lebesgue measure is that for interval A to B, it's B minus A. Think of that as just a volume or the length of an interval. For a two-dimensional space, that would be an area. For a three-dimensional, that would be a volume. Okay? So, if this measure P is continuous with respect to a Lebesgue measure, then we can define now a density function fx. Okay? This is a probability density function fx in which it satisfies, it's just the same as this, no? Fx of x is greater than equal to 0 and normalized when you integrate over all spaces 1. Okay. Now, there is actually much more fundamental than PDF, the density function. Although we know, we usually talk about density functions as something that describes a certain random process that describes the distribution. Some sort of it's a distribution, okay? But it's not actually fundamental because this fx only exists when this measure right here is continuous with respect to a Lebesgue measure. Now, there are situations when there are actually sometimes this does not exist. Whenever that criteria continues with respect to a Lebesgue measure, meaning this continuous to a Lebesgue measure means that for every px of some A equals 0 implies that A is null. Okay? Whenever, that's to say, the only thing that this will be 0 is that when the set itself is a null set. Now, there it would be the case that this is 0, but then the set is not empty. And that is now some sickness not much a sickness, but it would be that case. But then, we have another type of measure, which is actually mo ginagamit sa discrete case, the counting measure, instead of the Lebesgue measure. Okay? So, I'm just saying these words, maybe because when you try to look for, read or watch some lectures or read some, you might encounter these words. And at least na ako'y panghatag na some pre-interpretation of it. Okay? Now, there is much more fundamental than fx and even PMF. Although it seems that this is the center of statistics, but it's not actually this is secondary. What's the primary is what we call the CDF. So we will define that now. Okay? Because the CDF exists no matter as long as we have a probability space. Okay? Again, we assume that the mapping, this definition now is, I'll give this definition now is about the cumulative, the cumulative distribution function, say, double M ba? Sara, no? Cumulative density function or distribution function. Fx of x. Okay? It is defined as Fx of x is defined as P. Now, okay. Meaning that the measure, the Lebesgue measure of this set right here. Because we need, this is a much more fundamental because this is, kumbaga pa, yeah, it's much more difficult to assign distribution sa tanang excess, overall, tanang open sets. Remember what is the elements of the Borel sets are open sets, intervals. The topology. It's a topology, right? It's a topological space also. Ang kuan. So this topology, it's in every maglisod nag-assign sa kada ano dito. But it's always in practice it may even be hard. Okay? So ang ano nato is that we instead of the density function, we have this one here. And if the density function exists, then this is the integral from negative infinity to x of fx. Again, this is capital X and this is small x. dx. Okay? Fx dx. And, okay. This is it's called the cumulative distribution function because this is how you will see it. Something like that. And this is central to, even in statistics actually, when you compare, when you have two sample data, and then you want to know if those sample data are coming from the same distribution function or not, the same distribution or not, that test right there, Kolmogorov-Smirnov, kung sa mga test dira, it's actually on the, mga goodness of fit test, it's on the CDF. It's done on the CDF. It's a measure how much one function deviates from the cumulative. It's always increasing. We have this property. We have the property that fx of x2 is always greater than ff of x1 if x2 is greater than x1. This is a property of it. And of course, it's always increasing. And it reaches up to the maximum. It's normalized and the highest is 1. Okay? Meaning that the range of this is 0 to 1. So here, for example, at this function, this one here, this is x. This is now meaning that this one right here, kaning height ani, is the area. If you have this one, this is a height, diba? That's a height. That is fx of x, that one. This graph right here is the fx, capital Fx. Now, if you graph the small fx, this could be the fx, small f, x. And if this is x right here, negative infinity, and this is x right here, okay? This area is equal to this height. Nako? This area is equal to that height if the density function exists. But even if the density function exists, doesn't exist, we can still find for the cumulative, it's still possible to find, we can always find the cumulative distribution function. Okay? So, okay. Now, Okay, how about functions of random variable? Random variables. So when we say function of random variables, we have a random variable x. And we can have a function of x, we can call this g of x, and set this equal to another random variable y. Okay? Sabta ninyo, we have a random variable x that changes. No? It's a stochastic variable. It's a random variable. And then, pareho tong x could be remember the very first example when in our very first meeting. There are two types of two machines. One, you will input the side, the other will input the area. So, if I am going to set the side as the random variable, you ask in the sa una, how do we set x? Well, that machine that creates side there, x now would represent the side. And when we say normally distributed, the sides from 1 to 4, the machine will create a square whose sides is between 1 to 4 in uniform distribution. That means that the random variable there is x would represent the side, and it has its number. Okay? That side. Okay. Now, it could be that can I get now, if I have the distribution of the sides, what about the area? If the size is normally distributed, is the area still normally distributed? Or if the sides is uniformly distributed, is the area still uniformly distributed? Now, we are now asking for the random variable y, which is equal to x squared, right? We are asking this. So, there, in that example, machine 1 will create a distribution, uniform distribution, but here, x, now the random variable represents the sides. Whereas the other one, it's a uniform distribution, but then, x there represents the area. Okay? Now, the thing is that does this have the same distribution when we take the distribution of the area? Does this have the same distribution as this? That was the question. Muna itong last time. If we want to know which one gives us a better profit, atong paano dito, no? Now, here, di rin na siguro itong time nga that we will be much better. Concrete na ta actually. Okay? Pasulod na ta sa concrete nga kuan. Padulong na ta dito. Okay, again, random variable y, xy. Now, ang question kanon is that if x has a density function, fx, can we be able to find the density function of y? Or if it's discrete, then p, the probability mass function. Okay, meaning that how can we obtain, given that we have x, a function of, x is a random variable, we have a random variable x, and then we have a function of that random variable. As I've said, katong isa, we have x represents the side. And we know that a square is the random variable x represents the side of the square. And we said that this is uniform. Now, we want to know the distribution of the area, meaning we want a function y is equal to what's the area of the square? That is x squared, right? What is now the distribution of this x squared? Meaning we want to get fy of y from fx of x. Can we get that? And the answer is yes. And this is a very important nga kuan because this will play later. In fact, you will know how the normal distribution leads to the gamma functions. Those are some special functions in mathematical physics. Okay? You know the gamma function? Okay? it can be derived, one of the gamma function can be derived, actually it's just, we can derive that from Gaussian. Okay? And that's actually just kaning kuan. Okay? Okay, that's what we want. Well, it can be done. What is Fy of y? Theorem. Okay. Okay, before I state the theorem, let's derive this one. We want Fy of y, right? Fy of some y. But what is y? This is, y is G inverse of, okay. Dito ka magsugot. Fx of x. What is x? If y is equal to G of x, then x must be equal to G inverse of y. Tama? Okay? By the way, before this, I'd like to present this. I think this is a theorem. Yeah. After this one, wala na ako na ano ni siya. Okay? We can actually derive back fx of x from, if we know this one. As I've said, because this is primary, right? This is primary. This is much more fundamental than the density function. The cumulative density function exists even if a distribution, a density function doesn't exist, or a mass function doesn't exist. This one always exists as long as we have a measure, because it comes directly from the measure. Okay? As long as we have a measure, this one exists. Now, can we obtain back this one? If it exists from this one? And the answer is yes. This one right here is the way to do it. This is a theorem. Okay? D over dx of fx x. Okay? So the density function is the derivative of the CDF. Okay? From that. Okay? So, take note of this one. Now, we are going to apply this one dire. Okay? Saan ako na isulat? Kalat na kayong ano ba? Lahi ra gagapon, organize kay gapon because of the chalk. Karon kay depende magud pag ganahan ko musulat bay, organize na ako ang kuan. Wala siya katabulaag. Anyway, asa naman ta? Diri na lang nako isulat, no? Okay naman nino, kasabot naman mo. You understand the thread sa kuan. So, we have now fx. What is x? This is G inverse of y, right? And what is this? This is d over dx of fx. Right? Sakto? Fx of x. Tama? But then, x is what? This is not g of x, but inverse of that. That is g inverse of y. Now, when we differentiate something that is a function, remember that this is a function of y, right? Okay? Yeah. Oh, by the way, what is this? Ato sa ning isulat, unsa man ni siya dire? Unsa ni siya? This is fx, meaning this is actually d over dx of the integral from minus infinity to g of inverse of y, right? Of fx, no? X dx. Right? But, okay, ako lang ipakita na siya. So, ibalik na to. So, since this is a function of y, so what we do is d over df fx. Wait lang, time sa. Murag na rambo lang ako ang ano. Because we are now in y. Wait. Because what we want what we want to obtain is Fy, right? Fy. So, yeah, Fy times Fy of y equals, what is this? This is d over dy of Fy. Tama? Fy of y. But then, what is Fy of y? Okay, ako nang erase Fy of y is defined as, this is, what is y? Y is equal to some g of x. Ang atong ano is that, murag ane, we have the density function in, this is fx, right? Now, the density function in y could be this, okay? This is fy, okay? The cumulative CDF of f is actually the integral up to here, right? This is x. But this x corresponds to this y, right here. So, sa ato, nakuha ninyo? Okay? This x corresponds to that y. Or actually, it could be that since this is the y space, so they're independent, it could be that this is the y. This one corresponds to that. There. Okay? Nakuha? Now, that means that this area is equal to that area right there. Nakuha? When we take the CDF of both. So, this one is the CDF is from dire, infinity padulong to y, right? By definition, this is the integral from negative infinity to y. Okay? To y of fy of y dy. That is our ana. But then, I'd like to use, kung ang fx akong gamiton, instead of fy, in fx space, okay, in fx space, this is now g inverse of y. Tama? Right? In fx space, the integration is from, this is actually the integral minus infinity to g of negative y of fx x dx, right? This area should correspond to that area. Nasabtan ninyo? This is the x. And now x transforms to y by the function y is equal to gx, g of x. Nasabtan? So, okay, mauna ni siya. But, now, since this is a function of ano, we need to use the chain rule that now, right? So fy of y would be equal to d over dx of fx g inverse of y times sakto. Ano, g inverse of, wait lang fx. Wait lang. Then this is d g inverse of y dy. Yeah, this is y. And there should be an absolute value there because I will not be in details, nanig ginatawag kay, para di na ta madugay sa ako, ano, nanig ginatawag nga monotonically increasing, monotonically decreasing, or kanang ginatawag nato nga mix. Okay? Yeah, I think this is correct. Okay, so okay, sige na, diri na. But since what we know was x, the random variable x and fx of x, then we must express this in terms of that. This is, what is this? This is fx of g inverse of y times dg inverse of y over dy. The absolute value is necessary in order, kay depende na siya kung strictly increasing, monotonically increasing or decreasing, or combination. So, anyway, dili man kay ta mag-ano og kanang ano, we'll just, for our practical purposes, kanila atong gamiton, no? Okay? So, this is actually a theorem. Given a random variable ana and y, a new random variable y, which is a function gx, then f of y can be obtained using this information that we have by this formula. Okay? Okay. Now, the last definition I'm going to define, that is then muhawa na siguro tag, di man ta muhawa, but somehow we will be landing we are now in the surface. Okay? Is the definition. Okay? Given, of course, you still have this f and p, a probability space, which is mapped by x to a okay, and okay, let's just assume that the density function exists, meaning that this is continuous in with respect to a Lebesgue measure. Okay? General lang ako gamitin siguro. Let's just use mu here and then mu x. Kana siya. So, the expectation value of the random variable x is this, and this is equal to the integral of x d mu of x over all space, over omega, or in this case the sample space r, since we are omega na ributang because na siya dire. Now this is actually this expectation value, this is what we call a Lebesgue integration. This is a Lebesgue integral, d mu x of x. No, again, to be specific, d mu x of x. But then, what is this? From the definition, katong ganiha, di ba, px of sige, itong density function, x equals the integral of, sige ito, the integral of px, tama? Px of some set. The set what? Minus infinity to x, tama? Equals the integral, okay? Or, yeah, from to hantod x of fx of small x dx, then this can be written now as the integral over all sample space, omega or r. In this case, we are now in, because this is now taking in r, this is now x fx dx. Okay? That's why we integrate it because this fx dx is a Lebesgue integral. That density function, dx, is a Lebesgue measure. Remember that what is the distribution? It's a measure, di ba? Okay? And in fact, the probability is a Lebesgue measure, a validly, this is actually a Lebesgue measure. If you have, ang ano nato sa kuan, notion nato sa probability, in the continuous case. Okay? For the discrete case, at least we have the counting measure there. So, think of the counting measure as the cardinality. So, we have this as the expectation value. Okay? So, nasabtan ninyo. So, and of course, E of sum G of X is just, okay, ako na nabutan rin, minus infinity to infinity of G of X, Fx of X, dx. Okay? And this is true. In fact, you have been using this in quantum mechanics. Asa man sa quantum mechanics? What is this in quantum mechanics? For example, what is this in quantum mechanics? Well, in quantum mechanics, the density function is the square of the probability amplitude. Not the square, but the norm, which is the inner product of that. So in quantum mechanics, this is psi star psi. Mao ni siya. Okay? And this is just in quantum mechanics, the expectation value of X. Okay? That is standard. Whenever you integrate, okay, when you take the expectation value, you are actually integrating it over all space. That X times that one. And, well, wala na ako giderive yun sa ni pag-form tinamban. Later, ako ni siyang i-rederive because I'm going to do it again. After ani, we will be, di man mo restart, but I'm going to give some concrete definitions based on Walpole's book, Probability and Statistics for Scientists and Engineers. Medyo muhawat na sa measure theoretic. The reason why I introduced this to you, because the plan for in the next semester, in classical, in 2, is that we will be, ang akong yan is stochastic calculus. Okay? Stochastic differential equations. And it's very heavy. It's analysis. Okay? It's analysis in mathematics. So, mubalik ta diri, pero at least naano mo yung idea. And as we go along, and we discuss some at least makikita ninyo ang parallel sa formalism nga measure theoretic approach sa dili measure theoretic approach, because we can still discuss probability without using measure. But as I've said, since we have plans for stochastic differential equations later, stochastic calculus, and it cannot be dapat dito dili gito pwede nga moderate ra kaog probability distribution. Dili sa probability, it's a measure of a set. Of an interval in R, a set in R. An open set in R. Or a closed set in a closed interval in R. Na kay measure space. Na kay measurable space. And then na kay sets, na kay sigma algebra. Di ba tagaani mo tog measurement dito. Now, how can you measure those sets there? How can you establish that B minus A works? Okay, mauna siya nga nanay ginatawag nga mga before na outer measure concept mo ba na Caratodioris theorem, pre-algebra. Because ipakita na siya that why not just use the power set X? Why should we use why we define a sigma algebra, which is a subset of the power set? Ngano kinahanglan ana? Well, because this has a lot of sickness. Okay? It creates it has some pathology. It creates like non-measure katong mga Vitali sets. Itong mga sets nga dili nimo katuganing Hindi na ano na kay mahurot sa oras, James. Ano na to. Anyway, it's a good question nga, kuan. Okay? So anyway, we have this. Now, we can now answer, I think we can now solve my problem nga at the beginning. Which one will we use? Because this is all we need. Okay? Let's now try to solve that problem. As I've said, the beginning of this, okay? Because from the beginning of this, we have two machines. This one randomizes, okay? Area, side, S na lang, S represents side, and this one randomizes area. And this one will create a uniformly distributed tiles of sides S from 1 to 4. While this one, a uniformly distributed area 1 to 16. Because the largest here corresponds to the largest here. Smallest, the least is 1. Diba? 4 by 4 is 16. But this is uniform, So we want to know which machine will give us, assuming that we could not, it produces randomly. We input taog clay, it outputs a tile. Okay? Now, which machine will produce the, So here, we want to know, okay, first, what is the PDF, the density function of a normal distribution, uniform. Okay? Uniform distribution. Well, this is 1 and this is 4. Uniform distribution is, we have the height of this, di ba? Unsa may kuha na. Within this interval, the height of this is, okay, it must be the same. It is a constant function. So that fx, this is actually fx of the random, of the uniform distribution. And ff of x, of a uniform distribution, is just, unsa man na siya? Well, we should think that the area of this must be 1, tama? So what is this length? This is b minus a. Let's take this as b minus a. Or 3. Times this. So sa ato pa, that's 1/3, right? Tama? In fact, that's 1 over b minus a. In this case, 1/3, right? That is not the density function. It doesn't depend in x because of every uniform man siya, tama? Okay, that's the density function. This is okay. This is ang side na to S. X na lang atong yan, okay, para kung ano. Now, we want to know what is the distribution of this in terms of the area it produces. Okay? In terms of the area that it produces, okay, we want to know what is now Fy of y such that y is equal to g, this is x squared, right? So let's follow that one. Sa ganito, Fy of y equals d over dx of fx of g inverse y. Density function na diretso, di ba? Fx of x, okay, times d g inverse of y over dy. Okay? What's dg inverse of y dy? This is just equal to, okay, ff of x is just 1/3, right? And dg inverse of y, that is, x is equal to square root of y, diba? So the inverse of that is 1 over, this is 2 square root of y, tama? Right? Okay? So meaning now, the PDF of y, this is now area. Y now represents the area. Okay? This is y equals 1 over 6 square root of y of the area. Yeah, who gets the profit? So what we want to do, okay, we now have, but our y here goes from 1 to 16 na. Tama? Yeah, 1 to 16. Okay? Okay. So that means that in order to know which one has ano, is the mean, it's enough, the mean, the expectation value. We calculate the expectation value, we have this, okay, the second one is that. And we have 1, what's now the range? To y, right? I don't know, 16. This is the range of the new one is 16. Okay, by the way, yeah. Because our area now becomes from 0 to 1 to 16, right? And what is the square root of y? Unsa na siya? Paana? I don't know, baliktad. Increase, no? Paana, no? Okay. Now, we want to calculate now, in order to solve this, we want to get the average, at least what's the average nga size nga ilang ma-produce. What is the average size? The expectation value of the average size nga, nga ma-produce dire og dire. And if, which one is larger? Now, suppose that the profit function, okay, the profit, o sabi, ito na dato ani, sabay, we'll use S na lang. S now, S is actually directly proportional to the area, tama? So, the sum alpha times the area, Y. So, we don't even need to know alpha. Basta, the greater the Y, the greater is that, I mean, okay, this is the profit of a single. So meaning, for the average, it's just that, right? And then Y becomes the average, sama? The average of the profit is the average of this, ani. So, kwaon na to ang average, okay, what is the distribution of this? Well, the distribution of this one is 1 over 15, tama? Ang F, say tawag na to, ani. Fy of Z na lang. Z, again, is 1 over 15, tama? Because 1 over 16 minus 1. Right? 15 man eh. Okay? Nakuha? Hapit na? Hapit na po na eh. Now, what we do is integrate. Find the expectation value of each. Okay? Now, what is the expectation value for this? Expectation value of y, so EY, is equal to the integral from 1 to 16 of, so 1/6 dy over square root of y. Kindly solve this one. Ay, wait. Sorry, na y dire. Tama? Y, so this becomes now 1 over, kay expectation man. So y dy, integrate 1 to 16 of square root of y dy. Naman na direct na integration ninyo ang kuan. Ila? Napa divide og 6. 7. This is meaning the average size that this can produce. This machine will produce is of area 7. So meaning, square root of 7 by square root of 7. How about the average size, ani? So E of Z is equal to 1 over 15, the integral of 1 over 15 times Z, right? dz, 1 to 16. This is now equal to 1 over 15 times Z, 1 to 16 dz. Sakto ba? Z dz. And 8.5. Kani siya? 8.5. So this is much larger, right? So this one will produce a greater profit. 1 over 15. 16 minus 1. That's the density function. The uniform distribution man eh. Diba? For the second machine. Uniform. Ang first machine is uniform in side. But then when we took the distribution for the area, it becomes this. This is how the area is distributed. Nakuha? So from this, it transformed it from 1 to 4 it becomes 1 to 16 in the x squared space.
Given na itong theory mo itong gamit din niya din. Kanang
Yeah.
S, si S,
Ha?
si S, yung profit function, asa mo ito nang ibutang gani?
Ang
S.
profit function, this is just, I'm saying that profit is directly proportional to the area, average area. So, we don't need to solve for the profit. Well, we can solve the profit exactly, pilay maabala nato na, right? But just for the mean, the average, we can now, without solving for the profit, by just looking at the area, of course, this is a greater average, right? Tama? Greater average, yeah, I think, yeah, this is now correct. Kay, it becomes 1 to 16.
So, kanang Y na to, expectation value sa Y, mo na mismo ang katong sa sides, pero imong i-transport pa yun sa area.
Ha?
Kanang expectation sa Y ba?
Asa?
Kanang kinaunan nga result sir ni 7.
Ay, baliktad din, no? Mura ni siya ka ng anak, 1 over square root of y man di ay, so, purag paana, no? Asa man ang?
Ang expectation...
Kani?
Oh. Ay kanang sa Y sir, expectation value sa Y sir ba? Gikan na mismo sa side.
Diri. No. That is now, wide.
Gikan sa side, pero imong i-transport pa yun sa Y.
Yeah. Ang y there represents now the area. This is now area. Y now is an area.
Lagi. Oh.
Remember that every y is equal to x squared. So this corresponds to 4 squared. That's why, okay?
So,
Nakuha?
to answer ang question sa Miyagi sir, dun sa equal,
Ha?
asa mo sa itubag?
So which one produces the greatest? This is 8.5, tama ni? 8.5. So this one will produce the better kay yang average kaning average size ma-produce niya, meaning for the average for whatever infinite number or halos pareho sila og number of this will produce only a side an area of 7 while this one will produce an area of 8, slightly bigger. So it has a higher average, meaning it will produce the greater profit.
Pero kung di niyo mo tanaw ng iyang CDF, ang tanong,
Asa?
distribution,
You could not just the side dili pwede kay dili nimo ma-compare.
Ma-full ka, maparehas sa isang duwa.
Oh, mo na kay mo tong kailangan ng
Sense.
Okay? So that's why in the at the beginning I told you that in order to solve that we need some sort of a function, a generalized function called the distribution.
Tinod siguro, mauwat guru ka na ba?
Ang
Kung mauligya ka ba?
Oh yeah. Actually kani siya nga example, ako ni siyang gi-modify gikan sa katong malibot ko sa pangalan nga paradox. Kay mo create siya og katong kuan sa circle, lain-lain nga perspective.
Dugay to story to.
Katong dito, Nga mo create siya og paradox sa circle noon to siya. Depende og asa nimo tanawon. Pero dito mas lisod to siya sabton kay pareho lang diri kaso lang dito manggod diri manggod kay obvious nga lahi og distribution ang duha tungod kay lahi nga terms ang gigamit area og side. Pero kato pareho nga part sa circle. So dili maklaro nga lahi og density functions ang duha. So mao tong mas libog to siya nga actually it's part of nga mo create ka pag depende og asa nimo tanawon lahi mo makuha nga mean. Lahi mo makuha nga mean ato. Okay, ako na itong i-explain next meeting problem. So this is inspired ato, pero kanisa mas obvious kay, naka-label good ang isa side, ang isa area. Pero dito manggod, di kay klaro, kay pareho lang sila part sa circle. So wala ka story of units, kundi part sa circle. So mo ni, gimodify na ako ni siya. Okay? And at kato ang ni produce it's murag lahi mo nakuha nga lesson nga answer na style. Sakto maka nang computation. Sakto na siya then. Okay, the second machine will produce the better profit. Kaya greater man yung mean. Okay?
Pwede mo ma-apply sa putana ba?
Ha?
Pwede mo ma-apply sa putana.
So, this is how distribution ang kuan niya ani. Okay? So, kana siguro we have already landed into the nagsaka na ta sa surface. Next meeting, mubalik gyapon ang axiomatic sa probability, pero it's much more concrete na balikan nato itong mga sample space.